How can I fix Xbox Game Pass quests not tracking? Imagine completing a series of challenges and not seeing your progress reflected. Frustrating, isn't it? If you are experiencing issues with your Xbox Game Pass quests not tracking properly, there are several steps you can take to resolve the problem and get back to earning rewards and achievements seamlessly. First, ensure that your console is connected to the internet. A stable internet connection is essential for the tracking system to update your quest progress accurately. You can verify your connection by opening the network settings on your Xbox console and running a connection test. If your connection is unstable or disconnected, troubleshoot your network by restarting your router or switching to a wired connection if possible. Next, check for any available system updates for your Xbox console. Microsoft regularly releases updates that fix bugs and improve system performance. To do this, go to the Settings menu, select System, then Updates, and choose Update Console. Installing the latest updates can often resolve issues related to quest tracking. It is also important to verify that your Xbox account is properly signed in and linked to your Microsoft account. Sometimes, signing out and signing back in can refresh your account settings and resolve synchronization issues. To do this, go to the account settings, sign out, then sign back in with your credentials. Another step involves restarting your console completely. Power down the device and plug it from the power source for at least 30 seconds, then plug it back in and turn it on. This process can clear temporary glitches that might interfere with quest tracking. If the problem persists, try clearing the cache on your Xbox console. This can be done by turning off the console, unplugging it from the power outlet, waiting a few minutes, then plugging it back in and turning it on. Clearing the cache can help resolve data corruption that may affect quest progress updates. Additionally, ensure that your Xbox Live service status is operational. Sometimes, server issues on Microsoft's end can prevent quest tracking from updating properly. You can check the status of Xbox services on the official Xbox status webpage. If there are ongoing outages, waiting until the services are restored is the best course of action. Finally, if none of these steps work, consider removing and reinstalling the Xbox Game Pass app or resetting your console to factory settings. Be sure to back up any important data before performing a reset. By following these detailed steps, you can troubleshoot and resolve issues with Xbox Game Pass quests not tracking, allowing you to enjoy your gaming experience without interruption.